Hey guys, I don't know about you, but where we are now in the UK, it's definitively pepper soup season, and this is goat head pepper soup served with steamed plantain. Oh, so good. So I get my goat head from the butcher and they sliced it already for me, so it's like easy. I don't need to do much once I get home. When I'm home now, I've already washed and prepped my goat head, and here are the vegetable that we are going to use. You can use all or less, it's up to you. So I'm just showing you here like the leek, the bell pepper, the seasoning I'm using is obviously the pepper soup mix seasoning and the vegetable stock, but this is optional. Okay, I have my pot ready. So to cook, I simply like to first pre-boil my meat while I'm getting the vegetable ready. So simply place them in the bowl, in your big enough pan, add water just about enough to cover the meat, and then we are going to go ahead and add in our bay leaves and a little bit of salt. I will add everything I'm using in the description below, guys. Okay, so place your pan on a fire on a medium to high heat, cover, and then bring this to a boiling point. Okay, whilst it's boiling there, we are going to go ahead and prep our vegetable. And again, I mentioned you can either use all of these vegetable that I'm using or less or more, it's up to you. But leek if you can, and if you have celery, it's another thing that's really good in pepper soup. But yeah, leek for me it's a must. Okay, I like to dice mine a little bit on a thin side, so again, it's up to you. Dice all of them. Do not forget your chili, guys. Your scotch bonnet. Ooh, that word kind of, pepperish, keep you warm in winter. Anyway, once dicing everything, we're going to come and add this in our boiling meat and just add them all in and then give it a good mix just so that everything is well combined. And then after you add everything in, you are going to go and now add in your seasoning. Again, I mentioned I'm using a vegetable stock, but you don't really have to, but this is just a personal touch. I love especially this Knorr one, the jelly one. I love vegetable stock in my pepper soup. Okay, so I went ahead and add that in. That's the one. And then I added in obviously my pepper soup mix, and this I get this in the African store, and the one that I like is the Cameroonian pepper soup mix. It's the best. Okay, again, I will mention everything in the description, guys, so check that out. Add in boiling water because this is already boiling. Don't stop the cooking process. Okay, cover. Oh, sorry, I prefer to add in also smoked paprika just to add in a little bit of color. Okay, and a little bit of something cover. Once this is boiling, reduce the heat and to medium to low and let that simmer until the meat is ready. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes until the meat is tender to your liking. In the meantime, we are going to start prepping our plantain. And again, as I mentioned, I like to steam my plantain, so that was just my steaming pot. Put water in, and then we are going to go ahead and peel and slice our plantain. And again, if you don't know how to slice the plantain, I was just trying to show you here how. Always be careful with a knife. Okay, once we slice them, we are going to place them in our steaming pot, and we are going to place the pot on a medium to high heat, more like on a medium heat. Bring it to a boil and let the plantain steam for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the plantain are fully cooked. To check if my plantain are cooked, I like to insert a toothpick in the middle, and if it just goes straight through on the other side, that means my plantain are nice and soft and ready. So that is just a tip that I try. Or you can just cut it with a knife and just check inside. It has to be nice and soft. Okay, so once your plantain are ready like mine, oh, I love plantain, guys. I don't know about you. Do you love plantain like me? Let me know in the comment below. Anyway, my plantain are ready. At this stage, my pepper soup was ready. Oh, this was so good. I don't know about you guys. It's snowing here and it's so cold, so this so perfect. Go ahead and serve your pepper soup and enjoy. I hope you have been inspired, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, share, invite other foodies to come and join us. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.